All right, guys. Yeah, good morning to you all right there. Okay, let's talk about this video quickly. As you all can see right there, breaking news. Wife of late Governor Rotimi, Akeredolu Betty, was a bad wife. She stole money and abandoned her husband in the sick bed. That's Jimi. Jimi came out to talk about this whole issue. We are not too sure if this is factual. But I thought I should bring it here for you guys to see or hear. Remember, late Governor Akeredolu died yesterday. We talked about it yesterday. So he died of leukemia. So I also reported some issues here yesterday. But before that, I would like us to listen to what Jimi have to say first. Then we'll take it from there. Thank you.
May God forgive him all his sins. May God forgive him all his sins, and may God accept him on his right side. Folks, there is nothing that kills a man than having a bad wife. Having a bad wife. You may not know, but I've been following all the events. Akeredolu did not enjoy his last days on earth, despite all the wealth, and this is a big lesson to we that he has left behind here. To we that it's not that money cannot buy you happiness, money cannot buy death, money cannot cure sickness except God Almighty. And this happens if you have a good wife by you, a wife that can intercede on your behalf, either a Muslim or a Christian. When Ondo State were busy praying for Akeredolu, the wife said she does not believe in prayers. And today, where are we? And that is the fight I've been fighting for the past 7 years. That Akeredolu carried our state and gave it to his family. But thank God today, it has come to an end. It has come to an end. But it's a big lesson to all of us. It's a big lesson even to Betty herself, that she's acquiring the whole of everything in this earth. She's acquiring everything on this earth. Having the biggest fish pond in Nigeria, building the biggest hospital in her village, turning her village into a Mecca, having choice properties across Nigeria, in Ibadan, in Lagos, building hotels, buying houses. They bought all the streets in Ibadan. They bought almost all the houses in a war. Where are we carrying all this to? Nowhere. Today, Akeredolu is gone. Money cannot save him. I told you, bad wife. When Akeredolu came back from Germany, Betty purposely brought him because of the economic looting in Ondo State. He brought Akeredolu just as a decoy for him to steal from Ondo State, and he stole heavily. And he abandoned Akeredolu in Ibadan. The 3 caregivers given to Akeredolu, do you know that they were not even paid their salaries? 2 of them left. That was the reason why they took Akeredolu to Lagos to go and stay with the brother. I can tell you that Akeredolu family are not happy with Betty at all. When Akeredolu was with the brother in Lagos, when things start getting worse, that was when they were planning to take him out of the country for the second time to Germany. I was aware until Asiwaju was able to give them an ambulance. When they beckoned at this same wife that Akeredolu brought to limelight through the office of the First Lady of Ondo State, she declined going. She didn't go. It was his daughter, Mrs. Rusewe, the daughter of Akeredolu, that followed them to Germany. She didn't go. She stayed behind. She came back to Ondo State. She's trying to still rake money. It's just all about money, money. She abandoned the husband. I'm sure Akeredolu, when she went on his way to Germany, he will regret it. That, oh my God, so this woman is not there with me. No matter how bad the Yoruba woman is, I'm not tribal here. I'm just telling you the reality. The Yoruba wife will not abandon the husband at that.
Okay, this particular statement from Jimi, although his full name is Jimi Adekanle, these tribal statements, generated a lot of controversies. So I'm going to take on that when we finish with this particular video. Listen to that part where he come.
I'm not tribal here. I'm just telling you the reality. A Yoruba wife will not abandon the husband at that critical hour. How would it have been so good, so nice that we heard that Akeredolu died in Germany in the hands of Betty? But Betty was in Akure, was in Akure gallivanting, supervising how to steal money, supervising how to build the hospital, supervising how to fish pond. When she heard that Akete is gone, this is a big lesson. May our children not marry from the wrong tribe and from the wrong family. This is a big lesson to all of us. And I will say again, congratulations to those people. Not congratulations that Akete died though, because we all died. I'm not happy that he died. No. But congratulations that the bondage that Betty tied us and the song is broken. The shackle is broken. They don't care. The son was clubbing in Lagos, clubbing in Abuja. Doesn't care the father was this. The mother too was everywhere, holding meetings up and down, still responding on social media when your husband is in critical condition. May the soul of Akeredolu rest in peace. And I think our people, you know more than me about this woman. But I am employing this. I'm saying this. Akeredolu is gone. He has gone to rest. But the loot stolen by Jide, stolen by Betty, those houses they bought, all those properties, the FCC has to come and scrutinize them. No sentiment at all. No sentiment. My heartfelt goes to the people of our war and our kingdom. I know he has offended you guys too. That's Akeredolu, but my heartfelt still go to you guys. My condolence to the Lord of war and to all the people of war and to the entire people of Ondo.
All right, that one right there. Thank you very much, my people, for listening to that particular video from Jimi. All right, it's a critical one. Somebody just died yesterday. Governor, the late Governor Akeredolu. And today, information is already coming out. Although the information, the broadcast that I did yesterday morning, remember there was an article that I read from Punch where they were saying that the wife wanted to have a lavish birthday until the public lambasted on her. In fact, she was actually forced to cancel the birthday while her husband was in sick bed. I broadcasted that one yesterday. But meanwhile, I would like us to respond to this one quickly, what people have to say over this, because, on this platform, what we do, we try to take other people's reactions, tally it up with our own reaction, so that, for you guys to know that we don't pass false information here. But meanwhile, this is the wife right there, in case you guys don't know her that much. Our information is what I just wanted to quickly show to you guys. As you can see, Betty Ayanwo Akeredolu, married in 1981, age 70 years, nationality Nigerian. Ayanwo Akeredolu married Rotimi Akeredolu, former governor of Ondo State, in April 1981. He died on the 27th December 2023, which was just yesterday, after a prolonged health battle with leukemia and prostate cancer at the age of 67. Oh, the wife was even older than him. Okay. They had 4 children and 4 grandchildren. All right. Okay. Now, I would also like us to take this one right here quickly. This is where she's from. Betty Ayanwo Akeredolu, First Lady of Ondo State. As you can see right there, she's from Owerri, South region of Nigeria. which means that she's Igbo woman, right? Okay. The reason why I brought all this here is because of the tribal statement from Jimi, which have caused a lot of controversies on social media already. So I don't know what you guys going to think about this. I would like to hear from you guys your take, and we take it from there. But meanwhile, let's take people's reactions quickly. We have this reaction here from Justice Crack. Tribalism is killing us in Nigeria. Watch this man talk. Can see a man that hates other tribes. If this woman was to be a Yoruba woman, he wouldn't do this video. Okay, I have another person here. The home matchmaker saying, suddenly Betty is a bad wife. Was it also Betty that told her husband not to pay pensioners? Was it his Igbo wife that made him increase school fees up to 100%? Was Akeredolu the only politician to marry an Igbo wife? Why others never complain? Set camera, they talk trash. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yet your tribesmen would leave our women alone. We are literally the Air Yoruba braids. You see, this one is also doing the same thing. You know, when you're accusing somebody of doing wrong, you don't do the same wrong. You know, that's why we brought this this comment here for everybody to know that almost everybody in Nigeria were in trouble because many people in Nigeria, 80%, if I'm not mistaken, on my own statistic, are tribalistic. Omo abeg, make una shift. Igbo people will continue to drink your tears. Nonsense red oil soup people. Can you see that? This is somebody that is angry or trying to correct somebody, and he was committing the same crime at the same time. Okay, let's move on to the next person. I am Mavis. Now I talk this one. Mavis is saying, you passed a great point, sir, but you are just a tribalistic bigot. You want to tell me that tribe where the former first lady is from doesn't have or haven't bettered anyone or any person's good enough. Having a bad attitude is just individual. People can also come from Ondo and still exhibit bad attire. Heap and the blame on the former first lady and keep our tribe off your words. I don't even know where she's from, and I could also care less about that too. Okay. We have another person here. Ami Skish said, tribalism has eaten deep into our people. Was the Igbo woman the sickness he suffered too? Okay. Vimara said, I knew it would be her. For him to refuse hand over on his sick bed wasn't his decision. Okay, we have another person here. We have about, okay, Omozelefi said, this man, Percy just died, and all you could do was to come online to blame the wife. Are you so jobless at being that bitterness you have had for the wife for a long time? Nahim, they push you. Some men these days act worse than you expect from women, and this is supposed to be an elder that is misbehaving. Somebody's father and husband with a crying emoji. Okay, let's quickly take this. Agnes said, that Akeredolu, Betty, and their son really finished Ondo State. If you are not from Ondo State, you can't understand. You can't understand it. He can own workers 10 months and claims there is no money. Yet they keep acquiring wealth at the expense on the citizens. This life is just 6 feet tall. This is a lesson for us to tread carefully. Okay, I have another person here. I love everything he said until he mentioned a particular tribe, which has nothing to do with humans' behavior. Anybody can abandon anybody, and anybody can stay regardless their tribe or whatever. Okay, second to the last. Amma said, Yoruba women are not the best place in my entire life. I've never seen a racist like the Yoruba tribe. They feel they are the best amongst the rest. The same narratives, even in your workplace. This is very wrong and it should stop. That one was also committing the same crime she was angry about. Okay, we have Simply Gimbia. Was he a good governor? Question. Let's start from there first. Karma is real. Nigerian money and people he put through pains when he was in the government. You don't think all that could be the reason? Another question. But meanwhile, thank you very much, my people. I thought I should bring that to you. What's your take? Let us know what you think about this. Put it on the comment section. I would like to read your comments. I would like to respond to some of the comments, and there we'll take it from there. But one thing I would like to say before I end this broadcast right now is to let everybody know that nobody is going to live forever. Death is inevitable. Always do the right thing. Even though you're standing alone, do the right thing. You don't need to stand with people. If nobody don't want to stand with you, just because you're doing the right thing, continue to do the right thing. Thank you very much. Share our videos, like our videos. This is NAIJA Watch Media. We end it right here. See you guys later. Bye for now.